Welcome to all. Today we see the topic number 10 is the crop voyage in India and world. So what is a voyage? Voyage is the passage through air or space as a flight in a airplane or a space vehicle. So crop voyage is a journey of crop from one place to another by land is known as a crop voyage. So, a course of travel or a passage of especially a long journey by water to a distinct place is known as a crop voyage. So, see the description of Indian civilization and agriculture by the travelers from China, Europe, and USA. So, Indus Valley civilization, in that the principal food grain, that is a wheat and a barley, would have been grown as a spring crops. That is say sown at the end of the inundation upon land which had been submerged by spill from the river or one of its natural flood channels and reaped in March or April. Megasthesis witnesses the sowing of wheat in early winter rains and of rice, sesame, and millets in the summer solstice. Megasthenes adds further to the winter crops like wheat, barley, pulses, and other succulent fruits unknown to us. Herodotus, the father of history, reported in his writing that the wild Indian trees. And Francis Bernier is the European traveler, gives the vivid description of Bengal, its landscape people, and its plants and animals products with extensive field of rice, sugar, corns, three or four sorts of vegetables, mustard, sesame for oils, and small mulberry trees 2 or 3 feet in height for the foods of silkworm. So, development of New World crops in America by the Christopher Columbus in 1492 was the greatest event of the late Middle Ages and is a convenient benchmark to date the beginning of modern era. Three great cultures coexisted in America, although they were unaware of each other: Aztec, Mayan, and Incan. Ironically, Columbus, in searching for Asia, did discover their descents. However, much more valuable than gold and silver treasures were the new crop from the New World that have continually enriched the boundary and cuisines of Europe and the world. So, New World crops is the grains and pseudo grains like various grains and pseudo grains were domesticated in a New World, including the maize, is the zea maize, amaranthus, wild rice, and quinoa. Maize has become the most important world grain, surpassing the wheat, rice, sorghum, and millets. Maize is presently the principal source of animal feed, especially for pigs and chickens, human foods, as a source of sugars, and now as a major source of energy. The significance of maize as a major staple among the native people of a new world is evident in the deification of this crop and its popularity as a common feature of ceramic pottery. Legumes like New World legumes such as a common bean, lima bean, and peanuts were destined to become important world food crops. The peanuts found in ceramics from the Maki culture in Peru was spread worldwide by European traders and become particularly important in Africa after being brought there from Brazil. Facilous bean was vital to New World agriculture for agronomic, nutritional, and culinary reasons. Cucurbits. The New World cucurbits, Cucurbita mosquita, Cucurbita pepo, maxima, and Schema edule were important crops of indigenous populations and were grown for their fruit and seed. Representation of Cucurbita pepo can be found in Incan ceramic pottery. The New World cucurbits become prominent in Renaissance herbals in the 16th century and the genre known as the Naturilla morta, popular in the 17th to 18th century. Solania's fruit crops: capsicum, peppers, pepino, important food crops with the ceremonial and medicinal uses in the pre-Columbian America, are represented in various indigenous ceramic. Because Columbus was looking for black pepper, the discovery of the even more pungent fruits of various species of capsicum led to their immediate acceptance and popularity throughout the world. European herbal images of capsicum pepper are abundant and sculpted from can be found on the door of the Pisa Cathedral along with the tomato. So roots and tuber crops. Indigenous people in the New World domesticated a number of starchy vegetables including the cassava, potato and sweet potato that have become very important world crop. There are numerous images of potato in a pre-Columbian sculpture, and potato culture of Incas is illustrated in a calendar presented to the King of Spain in 1580. Potato has become one of the 10 most important world food crop. So crop introduced from the West and Central Asia by Mughals and Arabs like Allium cepa, Allium sativum, Brassica rep, Brassica oleracea, Coriandrum sativum, Cucumis melo, Decos carota, Phoenix dactyfera, Pisum sativum, Syzygium aromaticum, Vitis vinifera, and crop introduced by the Spaniards like Phaseolus vulgaris is the French bean. Crop introduced from China like Lysin max, lychee, Eurobotria japonica, Sapium sebiferum. Then crop introduced from the Latin America, Hevea brasiliensis, Ananas comosus. Crop introduced from the Southeast Asia and Pacific island like Citrus decumanus, Metroxylon, Sagus, Duroziberthinus. Some recent introductions like Humalus lupulus, Helianthus anus, Parthenium argenteum, Acacia senegal, Actinidia chinesis, Semaruba glauca, Caria linoensis.